Libya's senior military leader General Mohammed Ali Ahmed Al-Haddad died on Tuesday after a private jet crashed shortly after taking off from Ankara, Turkey. The aircraft was carrying 4 other Libyan military officers and 3 crew members, but no one survived. Libyan Prime Minister Abdul Hamid Deiba confirmed the incident in a Facebook post. He said the accident happened while the delegation was returning home and called it a great loss for the country. General Al-Haddad was the top military commander in western Libya and played an important role in United Nations-backed efforts to bring Libya's divided military forces together. Along with General Al-Haddad, 4 other high-ranking officers were also killed. They included General Al-Fitouri Graibil, head of Libya's ground forces, Brigadier General Mahmoud Al-Katawi, who led the Military Manufacturing Authority, Mohammad Al-Asawi Diab, an advisor to the Chief of Staff, and Mohammad Omar Ahmed Mehjoub, a military photographer. So how did the private jet crash? Turkish authorities said the Falcon 50 business jet lost contact with air traffic controllers about 40 minutes after takeoff from Ankara's Esenboga airport. The plane was on its way back to Libya. Officials said the aircraft sent an emergency signal near the Heymana district south of Ankara after reporting an electrical issue. While preparations were being made for an emergency landing, the plane disappeared from radar. The crash site was later found near the village of Kesikavak in Heymana. Local television footage showed a bright flash in the night sky, believed to be the moment of impact. Meanwhile, Turkey's Justice Ministry said 4 prosecutors have been appointed to investigate the crash, which is standard procedure. Libya also announced it will send a team to Ankara to work with Turkish officials during the investigation. But why was General Al-Haddad in Ankara? Well, General Al-Haddad had been in Ankara for official meetings and had met Turkish Defense Minister Yasser Guler and other senior officials. His visit came just a day after Turkey's parliament approved extending the deployment of Turkish troops in Libya for 2 more years. Notably, Turkey has supported Libya's Western government for years, following a military cooperation agreement signed in 2019, and has recently been working to improve relations with Eastern Libyan authorities as well. Meanwhile, Libya has remained unstable since the 2011 uprising that ended the rule of long-time leader Muammar Gaddafi. Were you aware of this information or not? Do comment and let us know, to then keep watching India TV.